when it starts to rain. Lightning veins through the dark unknown. Every drop cuts straight to the bone. When it starts to rain, I feel alive. Wash away the ghosts I've tried to hide. Let the flood take all I've been. I'm born again. When the storm rolls in, the ground gives way beneath my feet. Echoes drown in the city's beat. I see the past in a windowpane, fading slow beneath the rain. I've been waiting for the skies to break, for the sound that only truth can make. And when it falls, I'm not afraid. The storm's the only cure I've made. When it starts to